for somebody new to the industry and just met person after person after person. And every single person I met, I took away a piece of information that I'm almost certain I will use in my laundromat.
Networking is a big deal. Typically, the people who come to something like this are the high performers. These are the people who are still performing at a level that we can relate to. So there's a sense of we're all relatable because we all have that bar so high and we all see a bright future. So it's a very optimistic place to be.
I love the vibe. The people are very friendly. Everyone listens to what you have to say. They all have to want to share their own information.
So I'm looking forward to the speakers and the panels because these are my peers and these are folks who might think of something that I haven't thought of yet.
And it's been social everywhere, and everybody's been so open and willing to share their successes, in some cases their failures. Everywhere I turned, I learned something because they've obviously been down this path before.
I would say what's most exciting about coming to this is the younger generation. Younger people who are like looking at this industry like, hey, this is something in my back pocket as part of like their gig, but they have a whole different attitude.
Especially as a new owner, I encourage everyone that's thinking to coming to the next Rush Right Fold show. You learn a lot of things, you get to meet a lot of new people, and networking, which is great to know people in the business. So I recommend it to anyone who's thinking about it and who's not thinking about it. Give it a try.